Hello, learning target 6. Here we come. So learning target 6 and 7 are all geometry. Number 6 is I can identify, describe, draw, and find surface area of 3D figures. And learning target 7, it's going to be all about volume. So these are our last two learning targets for this whole school first semester. So let's get started. So let's make sure we have the formulas. And yes, of course, you can use your notes during the test. So take all the notes so you can use it on the skills check. Area of a rectangle is, of course, and I'm gonna call this, I know you might see length times width, right? And as you have seen before, but I'm gonna call this all this base and the height. I just think it's better for us to always unify what we say. So base times height. Done. Oh, it's still moving. Oh, for this, I think it's gonna stay focused now. Base and the height always makes 90 degrees. A square is a rectangle that have all the same sides, right? All the equal sides. So it's the same thing, just base times height. Or because squares have all the same sides, so let's say you called each side S for side. Okay, that's an S. Then you can say side times side or side square. A triangle. A triangle is kind of like why I wanted to call this base times height. Oh no, I am so sorry. Let's see. I hope the focus doesn't move again. So base and the height always makes 90 degrees, right? But triangle is half of it. Sorry, 1 second. Sorry, I'm back. So base and the height makes 90 degrees, and triangle is really half of a rectangle, right? Just looking at this, look at this. If we had the other side, the missing part, that makes a rectangle. So that is, of course, why we call it 1/2 times base times height. It's half of base times height. And always look for 90 degree for the height. And then we are finally talking about circle. Woo, it's been a while. So circle area, I always remember this A equals pi r squared, as in apple pies are squared. Like, I know McDonald's does not really have a squared apple pies, but it's a rectangle, but just think that way. Apple pie are squared. So area is pi r squared, and circumference, that's the length of the circle. That would be 2 pi r. 2 pi r. It's a little tricky because pi r squared and 2 pi r, they both have pi and r in the 2, but please don't get that confused. And if you, from the center to the point on the circle is the radius, the entire thing is a diameter, right? Okay, so let's do some practice questions. Find the area. If necessary, leave the answer in terms of pi. That means don't ever enter pi in the calculator. We're always gonna keep the pi as pi's. So let me just show you example. So area is base times height, 5 times 8. Okay, I'll show work. 40. If it's area, you're doing meter times meter, right? Meter times meter. That's why the unit is meter squared. Next one is a square because they are all the same. So this is also 12, which means area is 12 times 12. So it's 144. Make sure it's a 12 centimeter times 12 centimeter. So it's 144 centimeter square. Rectangle area is 3 times 15. So it's 45. Millimeter times millimeter is millimeter squared. Oh, number, letter D. Base and the height makes 90, not 5. Just make sure you do 1/2 times base times height. That is 6. So it'll be 6 centimeters square. So far, so good. Oh, another triangle. Look for this. You have to look for the 90. So it'll be 1/2 times base times height. So it is 30. So 30" squared. Oh, you don't get to see it there. Another one, 90 degrees. It's all about 90 degrees. So area is going to be 1/2 times base times height. So that is 84 meters squared. All right, next page. Give me some circles. Not yet, I guess. Okay, G is also a triangle. So area is 1/2 times base times height. That is 77. So make sure you put 77 meters squared. One more. Base and the height makes 90 degrees. So 1/2 times base times height. That is 120. Yep, so 120 meters squared. I'm sorry, I'm sure they didn't mean to put centimeter there. So meters squared. Now the circles. Area is pi r squared, right? So it's pi 5 squared. So we don't use a calculator. You just have to put 5 square in the calculator if you have to. But that'll be 25, so it'll be 25 pi meters squared. Ooh, just watch out for J. 18 is the entire thing, so it's 9 and a 9 to make 18. So area is pi r squared. That is pi times 9 squared. So it is 81 pi. 81 pi inch squared for the unit. So we're doing this part, but we're not putting the whole thing in the calculator. 2 more. The entire thing is 20, so it'll be 10 and 10. So area is pi r squared. Pi times 10 squared. 10 squared is 100, so it'll be 100 and pi. 100 pi millimeters squared. 15 is the entire thing, so you gotta do 7.5 and a 7.5. Area is pi 7.5 squared. Now I need a calculator. 7.5 squared. 56.25. So 56.25 pi. 56.25 pi inch squared. So these pi's, yes, you have to attach it almost like a letter X, but don't put it in the calculator. And then the last two said, find the circumference of a circle. So circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi, what? What is r? 7.5. So 7.5, which gives you 15 pi. Last one, 2 pi r. So it is 2 pi n times r, which is 11. So that is 22 pi. And the unit will be just, not the square, but just meters. That is it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.